Eddie said that rose essential oil is liquid gold. Is it really that expensive? I specially bought 3 kilograms of roses to extract essential oil. Confirm it. First we wash the flowers, control the water, and remove the flower heart, leaf petals. Take out our distillation equipment, install the diaphragm, pour into mountain spring water, put in roses. Upper gasket cover, Jiangling cover, gold hoop on card, plug in the dummy hair, turn on the water cycle, heated distiller. Hydrosol comes out in about 15 minutes. The oil star floating on it is rose essential oil. Oh my god, a few kilograms, only so much. Collect the hydrosol below. It can usually be used as a skincare water. My mom, it's so cold. Hurry up and make yourself a super smooth hand cream. The whole family can use it. Prepare 2 beakers, an oil discharge project, a water release project. We take out the last rose, hydrosol, we refined, to replace purified water. Ingredients I type on the screen. Melt with low heat and water, coconut oil, and shea butter. All have good moisturizing and repairing functions. If your skin is dry, and a little more shea butter. After it's completely melted, we slowly pour the oil phase into the water phase. This makes it easier to form the form of oil in water. Emulsify with a bacterial machine. Do it yourself. You can also add some other moisturizing ingredients. For example, aloe vera extract peony root or something. After the temperature of the lotion drops a little, add a few drops of rose essential oil, which is good, except expensive. I stir. So fragrant rose. After cooling, pour into the jar. Make your own hand cream. It can be used up in about 6 months. This formula is not greasy at all after use. Very silky. Silkier than Dove. If I do this, my mother will not say that I wasted it. Pick some lavender by the roadside. Dry it in the sun and put it in a braised bag to tie a knot. Take out the still. Join the 82-year-old mountain spring water. Heat on low heat for 30 minutes. The clock began to slowly suck out the essential oil. The top layer is lavender essential oil. Collect it. Find some leaf shells that you ate a few days ago. Add soybean wax. See how much it costs. Heat and melt. Pour in the lavender essential oil just refined and some sandalwood oil. Glue the bamboo heart to the bottom of the coconut shell. Pour the wax in along the bamboo heart. Fixed and let stand for 4 hours. Cut off excess bamboo hearts after cooling. Gently. It's like being hugged. Hurry up and make it for your little cutie.